Today I'm back again with Betsy, and today we're going to be doing Ugly Love.
Book review.
Yeah, book review. My opinion, my rating is going to be a 4.5. It was good, but it didn't reach my standards of. It made me cry. I'll give you that. It made me cry a little bit. It was really good, but I like Miles and Tate. I like their relationship, but there's just one part that Miles did I just did not like. And she just ignored it, and I was like, no, please. But I really liked it. It was really good. Another thing that I like about the book is that it's dual point of view, which I really like those type of books, because I just like from hearing from the girls and the guys' perspective when I come to reading, because I like to know what comes on in both of their minds. And I like that it was a romance book, which I love romance books, so that was also a 4.5, but it was really good overall. So if you haven't read it, I recommend you reading it.
For me, Ugly Love was one of the best books I've ever read, and that's saying something. I read some really, really good books, but Ugly Love, it's my favorite. And because of that, I give it a 5 out of 5 stars. So it's about Tate and Miles. Tate decides to move in with her brother, and then while she's moving in, she meets Miles, and he's having like a breakdown and everything. But fast forward, they get to know each other, and they had this sort of fling with rules. Yeah. You can't ask about the past, and you can't expect the future. Anyways, well, they have a fling, and at some point, Miles does something. For me, it was wrong. If it was me, I would never forgive them. But I wanted Tate to forgive him. Yeah, but if it was me, I would never forgive that person. I don't think I could. But Tate, I wanted Tate to forgive him, but not so easily. She just.
I forgave
Finish
and
Miles.
forget. Okay, so that was today's YouTube video and our book review on Ugly Love. So next week we're going to be doing another book review over The Deal, which is also part of the Off-Campus series by L. Kennedy. So, yeah.
And I'm sorry, guys. I apologize for